We're here at the outdoor fair getting ready to open the microwave oven where Kay Richey is doing a new invention. What's going to pop out? It's been cooking for a minute.
We're going to have teriyaki steaks.
Okay. Teriyaki steaks. Now this was, as I understand it, the loin
Yes.
of some venison, which we butchered right here for the crowd yesterday. Oh, that smells outstanding. What are you doing?
Well, I'm just going to put a little bit of teriyaki sauce over the top of it.
After
Red.
it's done, huh?
Yeah. I started it out by just slicing it thinly. Would you like it on a piece of bread?
Oh, on a piece of bread? Okay.
Okay.
Whatever you say. Go ahead, get me a good one there. And this is the loin of venison. Oh, boy.
Oh, it's tender. I can tell
It's tender. It's like filet mignon.
Well, really, that's about what it is. This is the inside
This is
loin.
scrumptious.
And this took 1 minute.
1 minute in the microwave.
Cut very thin.
Now, how did you do it? Start from the beginning. You took the loin.
And sliced it very thin.
See how
It's
thin?
probably less than 1/4 of an inch. Laid it out. I put about a tablespoon of beef broth to keep the moisture in. Then I seasoned it with the Lowry seasoning salt and the seasoned pepper. Covered it with saran wrap, stuck it in the oven for a minute, brought it out, and sprinkled a little bit of teriyaki sauce over it. That's it.
Wow. This is how recipes are made.
This is how it's done.
Right here, an invention at the outdoor fair. Well, we got free samples here for you folks. Come on up and try some. Okay. I want an unbiased opinion.
All right.
There you go. Might as well just take it right there.
Thank you. It's delicious.
It's wild game.
That's mine.
Okay. How you like that wild game? Beautiful.
It's good. Delicious.
It's good.